Hi River Kids, it's time to come and craft with me, Sarah P. Today we're going to make superhero masks. Here's your craft list to get started. First, print out the printable. The link will be in the description. A paper plate, a marker or a pencil, a pack of crayons, and a pair of safety scissors. Start by cutting out your mask template. Now let's trace our template onto our plate. Make sure you line your mask up onto the edge of your plate. Now that we have traced our template, it's time to cut out our mask. Now that our mask is cut out, let's give it our own superhero design. Now that your mask is complete, it's ready for you to wear. We hope that you'll take a picture of your creation and share it with Pastor Lisa on Facebook. Make sure you tune in on Monday morning for more from The Incredibles.